Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of steam inhalation, a simple yet powerful practice with some amazing health benefits. Whether you're dealing with congestion or just looking for a way to relax, steam inhalation can work wonders. Let's explore the 5 powerful benefits of inhaling steam and what it does to your body. Benefit number 1: steam inhalation helps clear nasal congestion. When you inhale steam, it loosens up the mucus in your nasal passages, making it easier to breathe. This is especially helpful during cold and flu season or when dealing with allergies. Benefit 2: soothes respiratory issues. The warm, moist steam can provide relief for respiratory conditions like bronchitis, asthma, and sinusitis. It helps open up the airways, reduces inflammation, and soothes irritated tissues. Benefit number 3: promotes relaxation and stress relief. Inhaling steam can help calm your mind and relax your muscles. The warmth and humidity help reduce tension, making it an excellent way to unwind after a long day. Benefit number 4: steam improves circulation. The heat from the steam causes your blood vessels to dilate, which enhances blood flow throughout your body. It means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to your tissues, promoting overall health. And finally, benefit number 5: enhanced skin health. Steam opens up your pores, allowing dirt and toxins to escape, which can lead to clearer, more radiant skin. It's like giving yourself a mini facial at home. So there you have it, 5 powerful benefits of inhaling steam. It's a natural, easy, and effective way to improve your health and well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy, and see you in the next video.